look good. Like that one.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, good look.
I like that one as well.
That's good as well. Yeah. Stand by your front wheel, right, at the back. There you stand next to Faye. Then you stand by your front wheel, mate. Right, I'm going to keep 2 shots, okay? And relax. But then point your backside towards the wall, maybe. That's it. Well done. Grab that reflector lance, please. Go for this one, hold that, serious now. 3, 2, 1, and again. 3, 2, 1. And maybe just put your hand on the hand back here. Yeah. Come forward a little bit more. Maybe could you face that way? So it's standing exactly as I am now then. That's awesome. 3, 2, shots. You need to turn people's heads. Well done, Faye. Excellent. Awesome. Arm to the face. And relax. Why can't we have the girls sitting on the tank? Is that alright? Oh, yeah. So look up there, Dan. So cool. Well done, girls. Just lift your chin a little bit. That's it, cool. Give it a shake.